Good evening, friends. Tonight, I'm fuming. I'm fuming tonight. On this debate, we will talk about the greatest human resource tragedy in the world, the education system. क्या fuck all intro था, I swear to God.
Is
होली शिट
anybody
मैं
else waiting
That
for
was
मैं
was that
इतना
Arnab
हंस रहा
Goswami
था
wait
मैं
to
बहुत
die?
ज्यादा हंस रहा था
was that Donald Trump and Arnab Goswami's child?
1, 2, 3, fuck it. क्या तेरा
Hello and welcome back to क्या है तेरा opinion. And आज मुझे join कर रहे हैं अनेशी,
12 years of CBSE bitches.
वसु,
I'm probably the richest person here. I've spent 10 years of my life in ICSC.
हाँ, हम लोग ने भी वही किया. Fuck off.
Exactly.
आदर्श
This is Goldcrest
और भी मुश्किल
ICSC,
से
guys.
प्लस किया
and Arindam.
Third time running boring.
Just off the bat, you guys have made me sound really poor.
Well, fuck.
डोंट वरी
Isn't that the
No, wait,
point
but
of
I
like,
think
Aneshi was in DPS, right?
No, I have been in 4 schools throughout my life, all of them CBSE.
हाँ तो guys, कौन से schools में थे तुम लोग?
I'll start.
सीबीएसई
Your school was CBSE?
यस
Like the entirety of your school was CBSE?
यस सीबीएसई
आदर्श CBSE के headquarters जाता था रोज.
हम्म
I
Question
wouldn't be
paper
surprised.
चुराने.
I'm not surprised.
उसने
I am
first
not
hand
surprised.
NCERT book देखी.
एनसीईआरटी बुक देखी उल्टी कर दी
That's why it's 50 rupees. Makes sense.
एक मिनट कौन सी
50
book
रुपए की बुक है 2 रुपए की कंटेंट है
उस 1 रुपए का बाइंडिंग है.
आई
No, you
स्वेयर
should see our HSE books. My transition from ICSE to HSE was pretty traumatic. So I'm like spending 15K on books to going to like 200 रुपए में सारे बुक्स हो जाते हैं, वो भी अगर ज्यादा थोड़ा higher end पे.
Is
It's
that a
like
problem?
their books cost like 15 rupees or like 8 rupees and stuff. I mean,
You always
Okay,
hear
nice.
stories of like rags to riches. Vasu went from riches to rags. Like straight up.
नो ब्रो
तेरे
I
transition
have-
कर रहा like IGCSE to HSC.
To clarify, we are not saying HSC is bad, but
But
yeah, I mean, no offense.
it's not really great.
Especially to the government. We don't want trouble.
After you put that picture.
गाड़ी में बैठो
गाड़ी में बैठो
I have been in CBSE for 4 CBSE schools. So I've been in CBSE in Gurgaon when I was really young. I have been in Calcutta CBSE and then in Bombay. So in Mumbai, I have been in 2 schools. The first school's name was Green Finger Global School.
Oh my god.
Yeah, fun names.
The Green Fingers Goober
very-
School as we call it.
It's what a posh name. Very
I
nice.
know, right?
Yeah, I mean, I want to know what the person who named the school was smoking while he decided to name
I
it.
think it's weird
Green
that's why it's
fingers.
green. Or that
It's-
bhindi.
It's just a cig laced with gomutra.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I came to DPS. So 2 years. So I've been in CBSE all my life. All my bloody life. I've never seen anything else. Just
Likewise.
CBSE. How does it feel to be a fellow CBSEite?
Relieved that it is over.
Same.
Fucking CBSE presence here.
oof.
So for me, 10 years. Me and Arindam were in the same school since the start, I think. So
No.
till 10th. तू कहाँ पे था, bro?
No, so I did my first standard half in Calcutta, half in Mumbai, and Ryan was the only school admitting me in the month of December. So, paisa.
Okay.
So,
Oh yeah.
Dude, I got rejected by Bal Bharti, bro. It was either Bal Bharti or it was either APJ.
Oh God. I think it's
APJ and then I went to fucking Ryan, bro. Shout out to Ryanites.
yeah,
उन
boy.
सबकी माचूदी है.
oh my God. As a person who has like zero experience with Ryan, I have from knowing people from Ryan, I know 2 things. Either they are exceptionally like talented and good at English and everything, or they're exceptionally shitty, for a lack of better term.
We can vouch for them.
Okay, I think now is when I should. Now is a good time to drop the bomb. I was in Ryan Khargar for like 4 years of my life.
Is everybody Ryan here excluding me?
And
Ari,
me.
the thing is, na Ryan
APJ is
Ryan will do, matlab,
no.
Ryan will do anything for paisa. So like I joined in like I guess November or something, and Ryan was like, "Paisa hai, aa jao." So like I
Same.
think that is why some point in life everybody has attended Ryan. That's the only school that accepts anybody.
Okay,
No,
but the
December में
question
जाओ,
is,
end of the year जाओ, कुछ भी.
We can make a whole thing on particular schools.
okay, but
and
the question
especially
is, how
Ryan.
many times have you been, attempted to be baptized?
What?
Thrice can confirm.
Oh my god. This is a different video. This is definitely for a different video.
This is a different
This
video.
this is for a
Dark.
reaction video of person
This is
who's
a
never been Ryan.
This is Ryanite's video वाला scene है क्योंकि
This is
I'm sure
जहाँ पे दो लोगों ने रायन कभी
everybody has
एक्सपीरियंस किया भी नहीं है. Very
yeah
nice.
so those two are reacting.
Ryan is so controversial I will say.
I've been
See, the
reacting to
fact
this.
the fact that like how many years has it been since fourth grade? Sorry, this is what art
26.
does to you. This is
Vasu,
what
I
art
also
does
took
to you.
maths. I took arts and I had maths. Please don't insult me right now.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Art
boy.
offers math.
Yeah, I had arts
Damn,
and I
okay.
took arts with maths. Yep.
Yeah, how was your experience with like till 10th and after 10th?
Till 10th, honestly, I think CBSE does this thing. Till 10th is like, Arey, chindi, what is this crap 1+1? And then suddenly, especially for maths, and I suddenly went to 11, they go from 1+1. Literally, the first chapter in 10th in CBSE was, oh, what are numbers? And then you
Yes.
go to class
What
2, 11,
fuck?
and the first chapter is like numbers that you have probably never heard of, also alphabets that you have never heard of, combined first chapter. And you are just like, ye kya hai?
Yes,
It's a
and the marks
complete
definitely
bouncer.
reflect that. मेरे पहले टेस्ट में मेरे को 4.5 आया था 30 में से मैथ्स में.
I don't think so. I ever scored that low.
And oh, don't worry, और मैं
Facts.
क्लास में सबसे लोएस्ट पोजीशन में भी नहीं था. सबसे लोएस्ट एक बंदे को हाफ आया था 30 में से.
APJ gang rise up.
एपीजे गैंग राइस अप. नाम लिखने के लिए मार्क्स मिला था शायद उसको.
Oh, Dude, but the transition from 10th to 11 bro like तुम लोग का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वो
इंडिया पाकिस्तान
from
सेपरेशन.
CBSE like I think Vasu CBSE to HSC.
No, I was ICSE to HSC, and I'm still dealing with the trauma.
इतना क्या apart from books इतना क्या बदल गया था इसमें?
Okay, just imagine this. So all my life I've been paying like at least Goldcrest I've been paying like 2 lakh for per annum fees. And then I go to Jai Hind, and you know how usually like when you're looking for colleges, schools, you consider ki financial aspect of it, kitna fees hai वगैरह. Jai Hind ka fees is 600 rupees for all people, 400 rupees for girls, because there's some thing कि girls को कम fees देना पड़ता है.
What the hell?
Dude,
Yeah.
this was my
Yes, sir.
entry test fees for DPS bro.
Bro, that is the
And the only reason I went to DPS is क्योंकि मेरे को कोई और मिला ही नहीं.
Oh shit.
separate video for Vedant ranting about his sad stories.
It's not really sad,
Yes.
it's really funny. Because DPS is ऐसे बोलते हैं DPS बहुत बड़ा स्कूल है, बहुत डेंजर, बहुत क्लाउड DPS का.
Yeah, honestly,
That is true.
ट्रूथ में बहुत
screwed up.
बहुत वैक लोग हैं उधर, बहुत वैक लोग हैं.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can attest. I am one
I'm
of those people.
looking at E section right now.
Oh
Not
God.
E, sorry, F section.
Oh God. Vedant, you're dragging me into trouble.
Cunts, bro, cunts.
Okay, separate
Oh my
video.
god.
Separate video for Vedant insulting people of F section.
Yes. And
And-
CBSE people reacting to Ryanite
Right.
and their
Yes.
stories.
And there's so
Featuring yours truly and Anaishi.
Okay, now if you guys are
क्या
done
lag
stepping
हुआ
over
वेदांत.
my trauma, if you guys are done stepping
Yes,
over my
yes.
trauma,
Vasu,
I'd like to
please.
continue now. Yes, this is a very traumatic story, guys. Respect thoda. Okay, so
आर्मी नहीं
उसके
भेजेगा.
बाद
The respect has been ditched by.
Okay.
Okay,
आगे के
so
बोल.
उसके बाद yeah, and then फिर एग्जाम आता है. Okay, and कैसे मतलब क्वेश्चन पेपर वगैरह होता है एग्जाम में. एक मिस्टेक हुआ क्वेश्चन पेपर में तो पूरा क्लास हंगामा मचाता है. मैम मिस्टेक. एटलीस्ट दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव ग्रोन विद आईसीएसई में. वहां पे पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर, पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर, आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग, आई हैव फोटो एविडेंस, देयर इज नो स्पेस इन द एंटायर क्वेश्चन पेपर. नो स्पेस, मतलब स्पेस बार बटन किसी ने उखाड़ के फेंक दिया था.
वो
So
उसका
we
बजट
actually
नहीं
have to
था.
read.
उसका बजट नहीं था स्पेस बार के लिए.
Oh damn.
All you had to do is like Jai Shiv Sena or something. And bas.
It reflects. It is a reflection of like Maharashtra, na, because no space.
Oh shit.
Ouch.
Damn.
You interpret it as whatever you want. I am not being offensive. Open to
Okay.
interpretation.
Yeah, so मतलब कैसे वो पेपर कैसे, मतलब usually 15 minutes होता है reading time and then they give you like 2 hours to write. We spent 2 hours 15 minutes only trying to read the paper and फिर भी सिर्फ एक side खत्म हुआ. And
you have to like
that-
decode it.
भाई.
yeah, that is HSC in a nutshell. They don't give a fuck basically.
I mean, at least क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो लिखा है वो समझ में तो आया. मेरे केस में क्वेश्चन पेपर बहुत सुंदर था बट क्वेश्चन कभी समझ में ही नहीं आया. तो
For real, though, CBSE, half of CBSE's actual knowledge, actually in class 10, I used to remember there used to be these value-based questions, which
Yes.
was the most pointless crap on this. There used to be like a question in maths like, find the volume of this well. If a constructor made this well and took extra money, what value does the constructor have? Like, मैं वैल्यू सोचूं या मतलब मोरालिटी सोचूं या
हाँ वो वैल्यू का 1 मार्क था गाइस.
yeah, and you cannot get the
Yeah.
marks for the value based question if you
Guys,
don't solve the
do you
formula
remember
question.
तुम लोग को CBSE में था क्या value education?
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, that is like the most pointless subject ever, I feel.
we had these
I mean-
extensive chapters about value education, and I got zero value
It's so-
excluding
अबे,
staring at the
yeah.
pictures.
It's so wholesome. like ये कितना प्यारा subject है. And then we have people जो ऐसे गाड़ी में बैठ के कुछ भी बोल जाते हैं.
I just want to establish that only India can do this. Like the concept, like our system can do it. Like the concept is value education, so it's supposed to be like a daily thing, like values, and then there will be like
I'm
value
pretty-
education का
I'm
exam
pretty
है.
sure. हाँ अबे देख, like give supreme leader one more term. Value education हट के भाई भगवत गीता बन जाएगी, तुम चिंता मत करो.
That has to be cut as well.
I am gonna die.
This is fucking staying.
I am literally gonna die. I have a genuine question. So my question was that as a CBSE student, like forever in our life, हमने सुना है कि हम rote learning करते हैं, जो I don't disagree. Some people don't, but most people do. तो ICSE का क्या status है इसके बारे में? I genuinely have a question
Actually,
about that.
Same bro, same. Like ICSE को 10th तक clout मिलता है, like serious clout है CBSE के ऊपर. And काफी deserving, but वो rote
हाँ.
learning culture दोनों जगह है.
Nee,
Okay.
I don't
It's just
think
that
it's just
you-
like limited to ICSE, CBSE, HSE, nothing. It
I-
is rote learning is the basis of Indian education system, and
The basis of
मतलब
most education system out there.
actually
मेरे को
not
लग रहा है
really.
बट
Have you
IG
seen
में
international
IG में रोट लर्निंग बहुत कम
ये जो
होता है.
IG हाँ IGCSE वगैरह ना, they are so practical based. So
Yes.
So here's a fun fact. So I was born in Germany, and I could get like their visa, citizenship easily. But my dad actually got me to India because internationally, unka education system is so slow. At the age of 18, I'll still probably be learning what like 7th grader, 8th grader kids are learning in India.
I had a
So
question.
that,
Vasu,
Yeah.
how does it feel from going from Germany to paying 400 rupees for your education?
I wish I
You've
had
come
that
very far,
scholarship.
bro. Yeah.
No, I agree with that.
Wait,
I also had a story about that. So
Hmm.
my sister, when she went to Canada, she's back now. So when she went there and she was doing basically her masters in journalism.
Asia
there. So-
Punjabi.
no, she's not. We're Bengalis. We're the exceptions.
Okay.
That's why we had to fight for the visa.
Oh
What is
my
this
god.
casual?
Then so when she went there, she told me like the first lesson they had, and this is like my sister's like 21, so she's gone for a master's, and the first lesson they had in like the basically like the broadcast and like the computer class was how to make a file on a computer. Like the first class was how to make a file. I think I learned how to make a file on a computer in like class 1. Like
Exactly. It's not even about their education system being slow. It is very they
Simple.
make sure you're going to remember what you learn for the rest of your.
Ah,
It's not and it's not even simple. It's what we are learning in eighth grade. Obviously, मतलब अपना कैसे trigonometry and
Reproduction in
all is
plant.
obviously trigonometry is not going to
I
be.
it's just the way he said it was the most creepy way to say reproduction in plants.
and the problem is nostalgia आया मेरे मन में सबसे पहले.
I swear.
Yeah,
Nice.
guys, just a test. Powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
सबको
Yay!
पता है bro.
यही पता है
अभी
और कुछ
जाके
पता नहीं
वॉचमैन
है.
को पूछ
Yeah,
जाओ
Obvious.
योगेश भी बता
इसका
देगा
अभी
क्या.
अभी अभी अगर मैं पूछूंगी ना साइटोप्लाज्म का डेफिनेशन तो कुछ नहीं पता होगा.
डेफिनेशन कभी पता नहीं
साइटोप्लाज्म
होता.
मेरे को याद
चलो
था ये.
क्रोम खोलते हैं.
Guys, I remember the
Biology was
definition.
में
I remember my science teacher used to tell me that definition should be like एकदम as in textbook. मैंने जिंदगी में कभी textbook वाला definition नहीं लिखा है.
अरे
Same.
bro I have a great story about this. ठीक है. So 10th standard अभी 11th में स्कूल्स ढूंढ रहे हैं अपना बोर्ड रिजल्ट आ गया है. आई वेंट टू एपीजी में क्या रहता है प्रिंसिपल तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू लेती है.
Yes.
ठीक है. एंड मेरी फट गई थी लाइक मैं बहुत
और वो प्रिंसिपल बहुत ज्यादा ही
वैसे
कि
भोली
professional
दिखती
है.
है बट ऐसा
ऐसे
डेंजर फीलिंग
ऐसे
आता है
बजाती
ब्रो.
है, क्वेश्चंस के साथ बजाती है. मैंने बच्चों को देखा है जो रो रो के निकला है वो प्रिंसिपल
अरे
ऑफिस से.
ब्रो इतना ट्रोमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस था ना कि मैंने डीपीएस ज्वाइन कर लिया.
That means it's VVV traumatic. As
Yes.
traumatic as it can get.
अभी तो बेसिकली ज्योग्राफी के क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही है. शी इज एक हाइड्रोमीटर. और हाइड्रोमीटर क्या होता है नहीं सॉरी बैरोमीटर क्या होता है. तो मैंने बोला इट इज यूज्ड टू मेजर प्रेशर एयर प्रेशर. उन्होंने बोला नहीं एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है. हम ना बहन चोद तेरे को
Did you say
एग्जैक्टली
that?
करता क्या. ऑब्वियसली नो मेरा मन तो गया ना भाई क्या चूतिया है.
Yeah, and unfortunately we are not even like Ranchod Das Chanchad from Three Idiots क्योंकि वो
Yeah.
अपना डेफिनेशन देता है बट लाइक बाद में he can जब वो टीचर बोलते हैं एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन तो वो फ्लेक्स भी कर सकता है कि हाँ मेरे को पता है एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन भी.
आई
हम
डोंट
लोग
गेट कि
तेरा
हाँ कि
ऊपर नीचे
एग्जैक्ट
ऊपर नीचे
डेफिनेशन
से बात है.
क्या करोगे तुम. क्या
I
उखाड़
swear.
क्या लिया तुमने कि
ये
Like
बैरोमीटर का
honestly.
काम वही है.
No, like
हाँ.
honestly, in your daily life, if you ask something generic, you won't be able to give like a definition. Like, what is the definition of a pen? Something you write with. You won't be like exact definition though. Like people don't do that
I
in
mean
real life.
काफी सारी चीजों के साथ लिख सकते हैं. It could be your own blood.
Exactly. That is a personal problem.
And
Yes.
can we just talk about like सब कुछ सिखाता है जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है जो लाइफ में यूज होने वाली वो नहीं सिखाते हैं.
I
Like
swear.
No,
segregation.
but I disagree with this. I
taxes.
disagree with this.
But
एक
एक
Cause
the
मिनट.
thing is
when have you been taught how to pay taxes? When have you been taught sex education?
why would you
I'll
need
get
to
to that.
learn
I'll get
to
to.
do
I'll get
taxes
to.
in
The
eighth
thing
grade?
is what I think is कि 10th तक सबको करना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ फकल ड्रॉप आउट वाला शिट नहीं करना. टिल 10th काफी बेसिक नॉलेज होनी जो सबको होनी चाहिए. 11th 12th is when you go in specifics.
I agree. I
और
Specific.
वो अगर तूने हक भी दिया ना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I agree. Like I get it. The lot of the education system is based on rote learning, but honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I have learned some stuff. Obviously, I haven't learned how to do my taxes and everything like that. But it's like, yeah, I have learned something or else, I guess, in a way.
But वो daily life में काम आएगा.
I don't know. I mean,
ऑफ कोर्स टैक्सेस पे करना तेरे को बर्तन साफ करने में हेल्प नहीं करेगा बट
exactly.
ये
Right.
डेली लाइफ वाला
I mean, if you are
thing-
washing dishes, I don't think you'll be in the need of doing taxes anyway.
no but the thing the जो the argument डेली लाइफ वाला आता है when you don't pursue what you want.
Hmm.
No,
तभी आता है कि अगर कोई बंदा जिसको ह्यूमैनिटीज लेना था वो साइंस में घुस गया तो ऑफ कोर्स वो बोलेगा मेरे को नहीं करना है.
I agree with that.
Yeah, that kind of makes sense.
That is
But
इसको
it's just
जानता
that
हूँ.
there's like so many important and very basic things that needs to be included in the Indian education system, but it's not. And
हाँ, I
मतलब
mean
it's
जो
neglected
पढ़ा रहे
बहुत
हो वो
ज़्यादा. For
ठीक है.
example, हाँ, but I mean, like there's things you need to focus on a little more. Like I keep
Yeah.
saying, sex education would
Sex education, yeah.
like wipe out so many problems. There's again, I think taxes and stuff, like things you're going to you know, in like internationally, these things they have to start learning at the age of 18. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे तुम लोग 30-40 की उम्र तक भी पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वहाँ पे वो डिपेंडेंस इतना नहीं है. You know, they're just thrown out at the age of 18, so they're supposed to learn stuff like this. We are not.
The thing is
Another
उन लोग का
another
बाकी systems भी उस पे ही based है ना, like you know how to drive when you're 16,
Yeah, that's true.
age of consent is lower.
Lower, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a thing. There's a saying basically. Like in India, in our education system, you learn there's a hammer and there's a nail. In there, you learn how to hammer the nail. It's very practical based there. Super practical based.
Yes.
But then when you talk about that is where it gets a bit controversial. Like even though theirs is very practical based, they end up getting more practical jobs, while Indians end up getting jobs such as
And-
which are more business and
yeah.
CEO and COO and things like that.
Menial jobs are respected there, right?
Yeah, that is a big thing. That is something I really like, honestly.
नहीं, आप कारपेंटर को भी उतने ही I think in Europe ऐसा सीन है, like carpenter or menial job guys
हाँ.
get
Yeah.
A lot. They
optimal
get
amount
paid.
of money.
They get
No
paid
one
a
is a
lot.
bus driver there. They are the bus captains. Okay.
Yeah.
Respective there.
Yeah, they give equal amount of importance. Someone like in the same apartment building, like one floor, but there's a scientist, and their neighbor could be something like a waitress or something. I just reference Big Bang Theory. My bad.
same.
Okay.
I think the main problem is कि Indians को brag करना बहुत पसंद है. So I can now say I understand quantum physics, but apply करना कुछ नहीं आता है. 3 महीना हो गया last paper दिए हुए, मेरे को physics पूरा भूल चुका हूँ मैं.
But the thing is, तेरे को नहीं मिलेंगे physicists जितने तेरे को engineers मिलेंगे.
हाँ,
Oh,
that's what
yes.
I'm saying. Like, technically now I can apply for IIT. ठीक है, किस्मत से फूट भी गया वो, तो करूँगा क्या? What will I apply? I just get to brag कि dude I studied that shit मेरे को hammer ठोकना आता है, but मैं करूँगा क्या उसका वो नहीं पता.
That is a good point. I feel like in this thing now, this whole thing, like the whole you learn theory and stuff. I think you can like practical knowledge comes from when you go to college. I feel that's where you get to explore a lot, learn a
We'll
lot
get to
about
see that.
yourself.
You'll
We
get to see that
hopefully-
very soon.
Hopefully, pandemic alert, but hopefully we get out. But yeah, I feel like college is somewhere where you get to grow a lot, which is very
College-
nice.
The thing
Another very important thing is, again, I'll go back to like I don't know why I'm comparing it with like apna system with international education system, but one other thing that I really appreciate is, again, they get independent काफी early, so you know most of these kids, they are paying for their own tuition fees, and I
Yes.
think that also brings like a certain sense of respect for them कि भाई हम ये
भाई.
अपनी कमाई से ये कर रहे हैं, and they don't take it for इतना granted. Again, another point is वहाँ पे a teacher का salary is the same as a doctor का salary.
Yes,
And
I
that makes
agree.
all the difference. क्योंकि
Where-
वहाँ के teachers,
what
they're
what
getting
country
paid
is
for
this?
Germany. Again, I'm sorry, all
Dude,
my facts
I
are based
am-
on
जर्मनी में
Germany.
शायद ट्यूशन
Yeah.
फीस है भी नहीं. If you know German.
engineering के लिए नहीं है, it's very cheap.
Yeah, and वहाँ पे ना ये teacher and doctor का salary is the same. So the teachers, you know, they are actually being paid what they deserve.
They
वहाँ
have
पे
the
उनका
incentive.
worth है. यहाँ पे
Yeah, they have the
Yeah,
incentive
exactly.
to actually push forward and help children rather than
हाँ,
push them
and
with full marks.
they genuinely, मतलब teaching is a profession that is looked up to there. पता है, क्योंकि they're getting paid उतना for that. यहाँ पे you ask anybody, nobody wants to grow up and become a teacher, which is
अरे.
pretty sad. This is like, you know, we don't have उतना respect for them, and नहीं होगा respect क्योंकि there are teachers everywhere. Many teachers, they don't know what they're teaching, and why is that happening? Because उनका salary ही नहीं हो. If you're paying teachers like, I don't know, 10,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, it's And why will they want to? Why will anybody want to get into the profession unless it's like
Speaking of,
majboori type?
Arey,
speaking of
from
growing up and professions, like, do you think the school system kills creativity as we grow up?
no, for some it actually amplifies it because backbenchers को वैसी class नहीं सुनते वो लोग, so they
But
indulge in more creative stuff. But
बट
if
उसके लिए बैक
that is
बेंचर्स होना
not
भी
an
पड़ता है ना.
yeah, that is not an excuse to be fuck all in your studies.
वही.
अभी कोई 10th पास आउट अभी सुन रहा होगा, भाई अरिंदम ने बोल दिया अब तो मैं 11th 12th नहीं पढ़ूंगा, बेटा गांड फट जाती है लगता
वही
हाँ वही. पढ़ के मुश्किल से घिसते हैं हम, लाइक बिना
अभी
पढ़.
90% वाले आएंगे ना, अरे मस्त ब्रो मैं साइंस लेगा आईआईटी के लिए पढ़ेगा, बेटा गांड फट जाएगी तुम्हारी.
वही
2 महीने रुको.
वो एक दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है कि लोगों
डी ब्रो
को,
समझ लो, मैं बता दूंगा तुम्हें.
वो लोग को ना ऐसे मन में एक ही लाइक एम है, लाइक ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास और कुछ रास्ता ही नहीं है, मतलब जेई नहीं हुआ तो भाई सुइसाइड. बट
gone.
दैट इज नॉट द
That's
पॉइंट.
the problem now. Like the education system doesn't allow us to fail.
That is true. That is true.
अरे
It is key. If you fail, you're terrible at this. Basically,
वही
it defines who you are.
मतलब एक बेंचमार्क बन चुका है ना.
I feel like
Exactly.
failure needs to be normalized, honestly.
आई
Hmm.
मीन आई गेस इस बार सीबीएसई वालों ने थोड़ा किया है, लाइक अभी वो रिपोर्ट कार्ड में फेल नहीं दिखते हैं लोग.
But how does that? ये तो वही हो
Eligible
गया ना भाई,
for-
फेयर एंड लवली में से फेयर हटा दिया भाई, वो प्रोडक्ट थोड़ी चेंज हो रहा है.
Yes.
That
no,
is
no,
true.
they changed fail to essential repeat if I'm not wrong. तो
Yes,
essential
something
repeat
like that.
makes sense ना कि अगर तू 12th में
हाँ,
science
see,
नहीं कर
मतलब
पाया
if
तो
Or
essentially you have to repeat.
applicable for retest or something. I am not sure.
Yeah, they
हाँ,
use some other words. Yeah.
I mean the words do make the
I
difference.
mean,
Like अगर fail देख
it's
लिया
a
ना तो
step
भाई.
towards something. It's a step towards something.
Yeah.
We can give them that.
I feel
But I
like
think the main problem here is JEE वगैरह का there's way too much competition and it's unhealthy. बहुत unhealthy है. I think
unhealthy.
there's like
Yeah.
what
It's become like a,
0.1% chance or
it's become
what?
उसके ऊपर से it's become like this money making thing. Like everybody's trying to make a business out of it.
Yeah, exactly. I assume
Pace.
Silent student.
Rao.
खाते रहे.
CL.
It's just like it's a conglomerate more than a system for the people.
Yeah,
मतलब
obviously.
like
a fucking
people are
business.
making so much money out of it. Even IIT is making a lot of money.
Obviously.
IIT,
I'm assuming everybody here has watched Kota Factory.
Yes, I
Yes.
have.
Yes.
कोटा फैक्ट्री एंड लाखों में ब्रो, मतलब दिल छू
I
गया,
haven't
मतलब
seen
भाई
that. I have to see.
all
Amazing
science
series.
students ऐसे देख रहे
recommend.
हो man.
एक बार देख लो, अपना जिंदगी को ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट होने मत दो.
Guys,
Hmm.
show sponsor नहीं किया. They've not sponsored us. Okay, please.
It's okay,
Yeah,
bro. If you
and
want to
Okay.
sponsor us, just email me at vedi.exe@gmail.com.
Yeah, make
Okay.
So,
description.
since we are talking about like
speaking-
shows and stuff, shout out to Film Fetish Aneshi's movie
Oh, fuck
review.
yeah.
holy shit!
Guys.
I didn't need to plug it also. This was the best day ever.
Okay, speaking of
So I'm like obsessed
No,
with
no,
speaking of
no. Wait.
sponsorships, our
Thank you.
podcast is
Speaking over
sponsored by
someone,
the bell button. Please press the bell button and subscribe.
And may I remind you, we have an episode on Dark coming up, and
we do.
Anishi will be there, and we'll talk about Jadoo and Kala and Jonas and fucking.
And Martha.
I'm not gonna
Martha.
lie,
That.
I thought the dark would mean dark humor, but okay.
We can. That's in every episode. That's in every
Speaking
episode.
of darkness, let's get back to our topic for today.
Yes.
Does anybody
JEE.
remember Helen Keller?
नहीं?
Wow.
तुम्हारा ये कोटा सिस्टम और ये साइंस वाला, स्पेशली फॉर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स, तुम
Mhm.
लोग के सीन पे क्या थॉट्स है?
I
Genuinely
mean,
fucked up.
JEE, no, it's not. Arey, like, if you have the caliber and skill for it, it's a great thing. But if you are in for it by your parents, like, अगर
It's a
खुद से
terrible
नहीं
thing.
हो, हाँ,
क्योंकि
Like,
इंडिया में ना एक और छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है कि कंपैरिजन मतलब भाई
Whatever.
साहब वो तो मतलब अगले जो नेबरहुड में है ना वो सबके साथ अगर कंपेयर
हाँ
नहीं
वो
हुए तो
that
तुम इंडिया में
yeah
नहीं हो।
I agree.
yeah we only have Sharma ji ka beta to blame for that, nobody else.
Yeah, yeah.
एंड मैं खुश हूँ कि लाइक मेरे पेरेंट्स ऐसे नहीं है, लाइक
Same,
मेरे को
same, same.
Same,
कंपेयर
same.
किया नहीं जाता है, बट स्टिल
Yeah.
लाइक
No, but
काफी
I mean,
Fuck all feeling है.
yeah, but like I haven't personally seen that, but I mean, I personally am a comparatively bright student, but my brother is not. So, matlab, I've seen that with him, not just by my parents, but all my teachers are also like,
अपनी
how
बहन को
are you?
देखो।
How are you, Vasu's brother? अपनी बहन से कुछ तो सीखो. Vasu was never like
I
this.
feel like this is a big problem. Like personally, I am very blessed that my parents were very supportive. Like till in class 10, after I saw my marks, I wanted to take science, but then I
Of
took like
course.
भाई.
of course, मतलब,
and then I took a minute and I actually thought about it and I realized my passion was somewhere else. It was not that. I had given my form for science and DPS by then. My mom and dad rushed to change it to humanities, and they were all like, "Are you sure? इतने तो अच्छे marks मिले हैं, क्या हुआ?" And they were like doing all that crap. But
I remember like 10th के बाद
Yeah, we've all gone through that.
yeah.
Matlab, I scored like 95 and all, and I took arts, and it became such a huge
Same,
joke कि क्या
same,
उखाड़
same.
लिया 95 लाके and everything. It was
Yeah, I
never
understand.
The problem is 10th के बाद like me personal 10th के बाद 10th में बहुत मेहनत किया आया मैं ठीक है 93 आया. Then you realize how useless that marks is because 10th का जो marks है वो बस देखो 11th में साइंस
एडमिशन देगा।
कि नहीं
Yeah.
CS के साथ वो पता चलेगा.
हाँ,
Actually,
ठीक है. And और कोई कहीं नहीं पूछता है 10th के
not even that, even your 12th marks. My sister has a saying. She says that after when you go to after a point in your life, they literally see your 10th and 12th to check if your date of birth is correct or not. That's it. That's
Holy
all.
I
shit.
mean, I can actually that is true because you know I thought I wanted to get into Jai Hind and cutoff was काफी high. So I thought कैसे मतलब लाना ही पड़ेगा कुछ भी करके. So I got 95 and everything. And by third list, people with 70-75% were also in. So मतलब,
Yeah,
what's
that's
the point?
thing. That's the thing, right? Like you work your ass
Oh.
off, and your person next to you is at the same position as you. Maybe they'll be more successful in life than you. Who knows? Just because they scored less than you doesn't make a difference. Honestly, it does
Exactly.
not.
मतलब पूरा साल 10th में किस बात के लिए रगड़ा भाई?
Actually,
एग्जैक्टली।
हम लोग ये नहीं बोल रहे कि मेहनत मत करो 10th में
Yeah.
मेहनत करो मार्क्स अच्छे लाओ, बट
हाँ मतलब
you know,
50%
बट एंड
लेके
में
कुछ प्राउड
ऐसा
फीलिंग नहीं है.
वही बट
No,
एटलीस्ट
honestly, it's
अपने डिसीजंस सोच समझ के लो, किसी और के
basis पे, yeah.
वही ऐसे पेरेंट्स बोल रहे साइंस लो बट तुम्हें साइंस में घंटा अभी इंटरेस्ट है, मतलब ऐसा है तो फिर
Okay,
साइंस लो
I,
मत।
हाँ,
I,
डिस्क्लेमर फॉर ऑल द 10th आउट देयर जो सोच रहे कि साइंस लेके हो जाएगा.
hmm.
नहीं होगा.
I can,
बेटा बहुत बड़ा धोखा होने वाला है तुम्हारे
I
साथ.
can tell you right
अरे
now, it's
होगा
not
नहीं,
उससे
होगा ही नहीं.
तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड ने चीट किया होगा ना उससे बड़ा दर्द है ये. ठीक है मैं
अगर
बता रहा हूँ.
दोनों all of your past relationships have failed combined, it is worse. No, it is honestly. I
And
can.
the thing with science is 11th is harder than 12th.
यस
हाँ,
I have
तो
heard.
झटका पड़ता है ना. अरे भाई कहाँ
Yeah.
99 आता था, इधर तो 33 पास हो रहा है. Dude, मेरा मैथ्स
And
में
you know what makes
कंसिस्टेंट
it
था
worse?
11th 33.
हाँ मैं भी
Consistently
कंसिस्टेंट था
11th.
Good number.
फेल होने में।
33 तो पासिंग मार्क्स है वो.
No, honestly, I have a simple thing. It doesn't matter. It's not even just about science. I know a person who wanted to pursue science, but they were forced into commerce and they scored very less because they were trying to. The father was trying to
Fuck,
get her into
man.
his business. Do what makes you happy. It doesn't. If humanities does not make you happy and science does, take science. If science does not make
यस
you happy, commerce just take commerce. It does not matter what others think. I
It's
am the direct attestation of that. I'm telling you right now, my scores have come out well in class 12. If I had taken science, I probably wouldn't have even gotten the half of that. But I know people who have gone through the opposite of that also, who have taken
यस
humanities and they did bad because they were not good at it. They were more inclined towards something else, which is
it's
also okay.
अबे and the thing is you कल्चर बन गया है ना
Hmm.
कि अरे ब्रो साइंस लेना पड़ेगा, इंजीनियरिंग करनी पड़ेगी, मार्क्स अच्छा है.
Actually,
Like
it's
if
joke.
the culture goes कि अच्छा ये सब लोग करे तो तुम भी करो.
Hmm.
Like if parents prioritized happiness of the child over भाई इंजीनियर में जॉब मिल जाएगा,
जॉब नहीं मिलेगा,
then
जॉब बचा ही नहीं है.
unemployment है guys. And
It's
the
a
thing with
saturated place. It's a saturated place.
And the closest thing you'll
तुम
get to
तुम
employment
लोग
is
को
unemployment.
do you want a statistics? 1 in 20 IT professionals in Bangalore contemplate suicide every day. Yeah,
Oh,
so that's
nice.
fucking engineering to
I
you.
guess
If you don't like it,
that's
I
natural selection, man.
don't. Yeah, do I know people जिनको फोर्स कर दिया है भाई, मतलब ह्यूमैनिटीज नहीं लो, कॉमर्स या साइंस ले लो.
yeah.
हमें चुतियाप है क्या?
बट
Actually,
अगर साइंस लेने का रिमोटली एक छोटा भी रीजन होगा ना, वो बेसिकली ऑप्शंस है. आई मीन साइंस के बाद तुम्हारे पास काफी ऑप्शंस रहते हैं. बट
Yeah, and
Not
after that you
really,
like
bro.
it is
It's
absolutely
No, it is
it's
true.
it's
It is
not that
true.
कि other
not true.
no, bro.
no. I can actually I
लाइक
speak
लुक
from
एट माई सेल्फ मैन. लाइक मैंने
I took
साइंस लिया बट
art.
मैं अभी डिजाइन के लिए जा रहा हूँ.
Yeah, exactly.
See, I took arts because I was not exactly sure क्या करना है, and you know my first thought was law करना है. So I was just like चलो छोड़ो, I'll take arts, and then I took arts, and then I realized okay, maybe law is not it. Now I feel like architecture is what I really wanted to go for, but now there's nothing really I can do, so I'm just going to like stick with law. But I kind of regret not trying for
No.
architecture वगैरह.
I'll be very frank about this. This whole, I feel like everything closes something or the else. Like there's no option. If you're chosen a stream, that's just how it is. Till you actually in the future, like go and expand or something.
See the thing, the thing with choosing something is when you choose something, you also don't choose the
Yeah,
other option.
there's an opportunity cost of everything. There you go.
Oh,
Smita.
Yeah, but
economics.
like
As SRK said, कुछ पाने
science
के लिए कुछ
is
खोना पड़ता है.
science is kind of safer in that aspect, because science closes almost nothing compared to what the
That's
subject
not
art closes.
true.
मतलब
The
I can
problem
take
is,
science and still do law, but I can't take arts and then do architecture.
but
can
don't let that blindside you into doing something you don't like.
No, it's
Hmm.
True.
very simple. I'll be honest. There's this whole concept, science will open all doors. Okay, listen. I'll tell you why it does not. People end up taking science thinking that it'll open all doors for them, correct? And then they take science.
Hmm.
And somebody who wants to be creative, they end up getting sucked, and they end up closing their mind. I had a friend, she used to draw on the table because that was her only escape. And she lost all her creativity. I speak to her now and she just doesn't want to create. You
No,
lose
yeah, that is true. मतलब you actually have to commit to it. There's a lot of commitment and there's a lot of hard work involved.
Yeah, and you lose everything. If you take up humanities and you want to be a scientist, that's a loss. If you take up science and you want to go in a creative field like PR, it's unlikely they'll still take you. And I can tell you that from personal experiences and knowing people, it's that at that moment, instead of thinking about others, you should just sit down and be like, where do I see myself 10 years from now? What makes me happy is if I take this stream, will I be able to reach that goal? Not that someone else told me that, oh, I'll be able to reach my goal if I take this thing. It's about you. It's your life at the end of the day.
It's
Okay,
basically
but
choosing
Aneshi, what do you recommend for like people who do not know what their goal is? For example, I was super confused and I had no idea what I wanted to do.
Hmm.
So, मेरे लिए I didn't really have a goal or anything. For me, it was pretty tough to like choose a
honestly,
stream.
like if you are interested in a lot of things or you are confused, just fucking flip a coin or कुछ करो.
नहीं.
Take it by. Abhi the thing is,
रुक जा.
whatever stream you choose,
वरना
the
पहले
thing
से ही
with
सोच के रखना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
ना कि लाइक you choose where do you want to end up in like the next 10 years. फिर
Yeah,
उसके हिसाब
exactly.
से पाथ देख लो. लाइक ऐसा हो सकता
You
है कि
choose
काफी सारे
what,
पाथ लो. लाइक हम कॉमर्स
अरे
और साइंस दोनों में से डिजाइन में जा ही सकते हैं, या मास मीडिया से तो पक्का जा सकता है.
Yeah,
तो
exactly my
तो
point.
चूज द इजियर पाथ ना. मतलब ऐसे साइंस में से पूरा
not
2 साल ग्राइंड मार के डिजाइन जाने से बेहतर आर्ट्स में वो आर्ट्स तो साथ भी देगा.
I
अरे
feel like
but
if you, yeah, sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
अरे but look at my case, Adarsh, you know it कि देख in 11th, after 10th I was confused. Actually I was confused between two things. Either I'll do engineering पक्का पक्का या I'll do law पक्का पक्का. ठीक है, दोनों में से confused, couldn't make up my mind. So I thought कि ठीक है, I'll take science because I can do both by choosing that. So 11th full, 11th full, 11th full I did JEE coaching. Realized at like almost the end कि नहीं, this is not what is my calling. And then 12th के starting में I enrolled for CLAT का coaching. Then I realized कि हाँ, this is my area. So like by choosing science, I got to change my stream. If it had been the opposite, like if I had chosen humanities, got into humanities, and then मतलब तब तो JEE coaching में नहीं होता, but still.
But that's like with everything again. It's because it was CLAT. If it was something like you can't, like if you want to do something like political science, you wouldn't have been able to go there. It's about, if you don't know, honestly, my recommendation is, if you don't know what you want to do, you take up a stream that you feel like you have some inclination towards, like a little inclination towards. Do that. Try to give your best in that, and while you're doing that, maybe do some courses, talk around with people and see what you feel you want to do.
Yeah, the thing with like 11th, 12th is a great place to explore.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yes.
Explore and ask
Like,
around.
the only reason I took up science was मेरे को मालूम था कि मेरे को computers में कुछ तो करना है.
Exactly.
Whether it be CS, whether it be fucking IT या कुछ CDMA or something.
Like
फिर
at the end of the day, you have some inclination.
फिर as पढ़ा science हुआ, like फिर मेरे को physics में बहुत मजा आने लगा. Then मैंने decide किया कि yeah, I'll do computer engineering. तो it's just a thing कि जैसे उसने बोला inclination जिसमें उधर चले जाओ और be ready to grind. मतलब कोई भी stream मजाक नहीं है. मैंने commerce का और humanities का भी देखा है, सबकी फट जाती है.
God, you guys have no idea.
difficult है.
Everybody is like,
ऐसा नहीं कि
it's easy.
science
It's not. It's absolutely the
सबसे
opposite.
hard है.
Like अगर साइंस में इंटरेस्ट है तो वो काफी आसान भी हो सकता है.
Am I literally the only one who's got like the most sucky college life? I am in Jai Hind, which is supposed to be like this elite, cool college and stuff. No dress code, no kuch bhi. And my attendance
I don't know.
and I have attended like 7, 8 classes maximum.
No, I honestly enjoyed my time here.
It was बहुत मजा किया हम लोग.
Yeah, I honestly, just because it's 12th or 11th does not mean you cannot do anything. I probably have done the most in all of my past years. I have done stand-up comedy in school. I have done.
That was amazing, bro.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
And that was actually the worst part, because I was very active, very, very active in school. Matlab, I was literally there in every competition ever. And that's what kept me going through school. College आके इतना पूरा मेरा जान ही निकल गया, because I was like, इतना ज़्यादा competition है. I literally have no chance of winning at anything, and मेरे लिए, I don't know, winning is somewhat of a big deal. So I just stopped participating in stuff, and then I like withdrew from everything. फिर college जाना बंद कर दिया. And then that is why I feel like अगर science या commerce लिया होता तो I would have something.
No, bro.
They don't care if I don't.
No. I have taken arts.
The pain is equal throughout the school या college, throughout the batch. वो चुतिया सबको मिलता है.
Yes.
So I have taken humanities, and you have no idea how much hard work I had to put in. I had maths also. I had to put double of the. I mean, obviously, maths took a lot of effort, but in few humanities subjects, I had to put double of the effort that I've put in maths, and I am pretty good at maths. Not bragging, just saying. But it's like
मारो मुझे मारो. 4.5 mark, please.
It's about what you're passionate in. Once you get into something you're passionate in, even when it's hard, you feel at comfort. Honestly speaking, that's what matters.
अबे वो passionate है ना, वो एक दिन मतलब ऐसा कुछ ही मजा आ गया, एकदम से नहीं आता वो passion. वो
टाइम
wait,
लगता है।
10-15 हजार
Build up
चीजें
होता है।
ट्राई करने के बाद बनता है। तेरे को पता है, तेरे को लगता है तेरे को क्या अच्छा लगता है, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता।
Hmm.
Yeah, honestly, I took humanities thinking I'm going to do economics. I finished and I'm doing the opposite of economics probably. I'm doing filmmaking. सबसे ज्यादा पैसे इधर ही लगते हैं. It's literally that. So it's about going through and finding your passion. You don't need to. That's the point. We are young. We are not supposed to go into stream like ये मेरा plan है यही करने वाली हूँ मैं. Or it's
Hmm.
just
And
And
if
you know,
if
which is
you
okay. This again, I feel like, you know, I mean, I'm probably influencing the young watchers, viewers out here wrong, but which is why I feel like I was so confused. I should have, you know, if I had taken science, I probably would have had the option of architecture open, and that, you know, probably would have been my calling. But now there's no going back. Now I have to stick with whatever options I have left, which is, you know, and मेरा पूरा entire this year has been so shitty. I had literally nothing to do. Plus मेरा तो maths वाथ कुछ नहीं था. All my subjects are history, political science वगैरह. I don't attend any classes,
but
and I
isn't
still
that
end up getting like 92.
I have a question about that. Isn't that more of like, no offense to anything obviously, but isn't that more of like a junior college culture? Because schools mein, I know people in my class only who have taken the subjects that you have
अरे
also, and I've seen them study 50 times as hard as me. And actually, so I'm just gonna, it's not about art science things, it's just a genuine question. Like, is it a junior college thing or is it just what you feel about arts as a subject?
No, I mean, I just, you know, I don't know if I chose the wrong college or what, but I did not enjoy 11th, nor am I getting anything great out of it. मतलब अगर enjoy नहीं करके I finally get to do architecture or what I want to do, I'm not even sure if I want to do architecture. I just know कि, you know, I would have enjoyed that better. I don't know because I didn't take science. But I mean,
In my personal opinion,
probably I chose the wrong college or whatever.
नहीं,
I
in
अरे
my
don't know.
मतलब pro tip,
Something went wrong.
don't meddle over things you can't do. Just
yeah, yeah.
see things. तू क्या क्या बहुत कुछ कर सकती है ब्रो, बहुत चीजें है बाहर।
Bro,
Yes, and there's
और
eventually you can do
moreover,
math.
yeah, and if somebody tells you bro तू like 17 है या तू 14 है और तेरे को पता नहीं है क्या कर रहे हैं लाइफ में और तेरे को like डिस कर रहे हैं, उनको बोलो गांड मारो, ठीक है? बिकॉज तू 14 15 17 साल का है ब्रो.
Yeah,
Do
actually,
you
That is
like,
so unfair.
yeah,
Matlab, especially
how do
for
you
me,
expect?
who hasn't had it
Yeah.
like the way I had expected it to go. I haven't had it that way. So I especially feel it is so unfair if you are asked to choose what you want to do for your entire life when you're like 16, 17. And I mean, how are we supposed to do that?
And
How
that's
are
a
we
myth,
supposed to know
that's
what
a
we
myth. ये जो choose for your entire life है ना, ये सब bogus है, ठीक है?
बहुत bullshit है.
तुम कभी भी अपना
बहुत
जिंदगी
बड़ा चूतिया
पलट सकते
काटा
हो।
है, ठीक है?
Best example of that
Yeah,
is
I don't have experience, but I mean, I still believe like I could have made better choices or something. Maybe later on
Okay,
I'll find calling.
looking
Of
back, of
course.
course, we
Top
all could have
three.
made better choices in life, but the thing is, we learn from the wrong choices, right?
wow.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
That's
Nice.
the thing.
Vedant coming in
Why is
strong.
Vedant is like popping off over
Socrates.
here?
The only thing stopping me from becoming a philosopher is a fucking beard, bro.
Because
Oh
you look
my
like
god.
if you go out in front of an audience and start saying this stuff, people will think something else because of the beard.
No, it's just that it's that clout now.
Okay.
Accidental racism.
No offense
My
to
point,
anyone sitting in a car.
but my
चलो
point is
गाड़ी
like
में.
very simple. It's like like you never in your life probably you can literally be 50 and still not be sure what to do. Especially in India though, because at least my father's generation, they have been all forced into medical and engineering. And I see my dad,
We're looking at you, Gen X.
he has potential, and he had the audacity to ask me that day. He comes to me, he's like, why do you want, not like in a mocking way, he was just like genuinely asking me, why do you want to do direction? I don't think so anybody in our family has ever done that. And then he walks away, and then he's talking to mom like, after retirement I'm gonna go to Pune and learn direction. And I'm like, are you hearing yourself? Like
अरे
it's that they had so much potential and it's just been like cramped into their head, and it's just very sad to me. I feel like You should do what makes
आर्ट्स वाले फेस सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम उसके वजह से बिकॉज इट्स लाइक आर्ट्स इज लाइक कुछ नहीं आता तो आर्ट्स ले लो दैट्स लाइक अ वेरी कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन some people have actually taken arts because they want to do something in that stream.
Exhibit A.
हाँ, but this पुराना जनरेशन वाला थिंग इज वेरी, मतलब क्या बोले, सेलेक्टिव. मतलब मेरे फैमिली लिनिएज में लाइक माय ग्रैंडपा वाज अ प्रोफेसर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स
Same. I
And-
love that.
एंड अभी माय डैड इज अ कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर. मतलब सब अलग अलग ही है. मम्मी एजुकेशन में
Generally वैसा सीन हो
like,
जाता है. Of course
हाँ.
there will be exceptions and there should be exceptions to the rule.
Yeah, definitely. I agree. It's just as my personal advice to anyone would be, if you feel like you don't know, everybody else also doesn't know.
explore.
Everybody else doesn't know. You're not alone. Even if if you have a friend who's telling you, I'm going to do this, trust me, 5 years down the line, they might not even be closely doing that.
And don't choose streams if all your friends are going अच्छा मैं science
Oh,
ले
bhai.
रही हूँ,
I
commerce ले
feel
रहा
that
हूँ.
is such a good advice
Do what you
because
love,
like
bro.
I feel like so many people do that, and what they end up missing is they don't go for their inclination. And once you choose something you're inclined towards, you're gonna find people who help you understand your inclination. You need to find those people. Choose that
Yes.
stream.
हाँ,
Choose
वही
those
अबे
people.
बहुत
in your
बड़ा
Agree with
scale
that
में
so
बहुत
much. I agree with that so much. I was under so much pressure कि भाई everybody knows what they want to do, everybody knows where they want to go, and you know what field they want to choose. It's just me. So मतलब who doesn't know anything, and it was so pressurizing. मतलब that needs to stop.
It should, of course, as हम लोग का next generation आएगा and कम होता
Hopefully.
जाएगा. Yeah, fuck Trump guys.
It's just very important.
अभी
और दूसरी बात ये है कि लाइक अभी लाइक एक काम हो गया, मतलब इंजीनियरिंग कर ली तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम इंजीनियरिंग वाले ही काम करोगे. लाइक तुम काफी
हाँ.
सारी चीजें कर सकते हो.
Yeah,
Like
I have
for-
a serious point about that.
people figure out
for-
shit they want to
फॉर
do
एग्जाम्पल मेरे डैड
for
लाइक
engineering.
उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग की थी और उसके बाद लाइक मेरे डैड कुछ तो हॉस्पिटल में काम कर रहे थे. देन उसके बाद ट्यूशन्स ले रहे थे बच्चों के लिए एंड काफी कुछ हुआ. लाइक पूरा एक मिक्स्ड बैग था और एंड में अभी रिलायंस में.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like-
yo, gang.
Yeah, I can tell that to
So like sharing motivational stories, I have one. This is like I had like a whole ass breakdown because of like I didn't know what to do and shit. So then there's this friend of mine. She told me about her sister, her elder sister. So her elder sister, she wanted to do law. So she went Canada to do law for like ये अपना LLB. And then वहाँ पे जाके and law internationally is super expensive. So you know वो मतलब even when you go वो guilt थोड़ा रहता है कि भाई you have to make the best of it because people are paying a lot for this LLB का एक degree. So like she went there वो पूरा you know she wasn't fitting in well there, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. And वहाँ जाके full she like got depressed, she got severe bipolar disorder वगैरह. And plus she wouldn't come back because बहुत too much money had gone into the thing and she didn't want to like
Yeah.
waste it. So eventually she got way too depressed and everything, so they had to send her back to India. It was a huge waste of money because she came back halfway, didn't have a degree, बहुत money waste हुआ, plus she came back depressed and with bipolar disorder. And it was like pretty bad, but like she took that half year ka break, and then next year she did an online degree for like I don't know some mass media mein she did some online degree or something, and now she's like some Savan ka head of like at a really big post, and she's most of all she's like super happy and satisfied.
good.
Yeah,
So
man.
I mean,
Fuck
I
yeah.
guess in the end, yeah, itna pay way karke it didn't even matter. She's like happy right now, and that came from
Nothing, no amount of money or expectations will replace if your sadness. Like,
Exactly. Yeah.
don't, तुम लोग अगर एक पोजीशन में हो या तुम लोग साइंस ले लिया या इफ यू आर डूइंग, ये साइंस का बहुत ज्यादा आएगा बट साइंस से डरो मत गाइस, ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे यूज कर रहा हूँ, साइंस ले लिया या if you're in a position where you don't want to be, और तेरे को लग रहा है कि पेरेंट्स का एक्सपेक्टेशन है, इतना पैसा डाल के रखा है, and you're just not happy,
Yeah.
बोल दो. देख, पेरेंट्स से इज्जत से बात करके बोल दो, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी डूइंग दिस,
हाँ
and
like,
do
At a
something
place,
else.
yeah. At a place
Yeah,
where
if and if they don't agree, just fuck them, bro.
नहीं
that
they
that
will
बट
agree,
ये
that
जो
was
honestly.
an
Just
ये
fuck them.
बात करने के पहले ना तुम्हें पता चल जाना चाहिए कि क्या इंटरेस्ट है, वरना तुम में से जाके
Hmm.
बोलोगे मेरे को ये करना
Yeah,
नहीं है, फिर वो लोग उल्टे में
that's
बोलेंगे फिर
oh my
करना
god.
क्या है,
No, it's
देन यू
yeah,
स्टे
it's
साइलेंट, देन
I
यू विल
can't
गो
stress
राइट बैक.
not a
I can't
replacement
stress
की अगर
enough
वो
on how important that is. I can't stress enough on
Yeah.
how important that is. मेरा भी, like I said, first year of Jai Hind was super bad. बहुत ही shitty था. I literally used to like come up with silly excuses and everything to stay at home. And at one point, like parents realized I was not happy or whatever. And I mean, honestly, they wouldn't even mind if I told them I want to change. And I really wanted to change college or like do something else. But you know, I'm still continuing because there's also the factor that एक ही साल और झेलना है, and there's also the most important thing is क्या करूंगी, जय हिंद छोड़ दिया फिर then what am I going to do, what's backup plan? I don't have any. It's
तेरा
pretty
voice
important to
crack
know what want to do if you're like
No,
I
it's
think what we are
Go ahead.
what we are trying to say is कि at least keep 2 or 3 options कि हाँ ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये.